I feel like this is what SEMA people feel like.
SEMA people?
Or like, this is like Fast and Furious. Like, you gotta do it. Okay, what's up?
We have randomly decided that we're going to Bob's tonight, which we have been wanting to for a while because both cars can now drive. The Miata Y body fender is not on yet, but this car's running and painted, and that car is at least in the condition to drive. So we're gonna put wheels on that car. I'm just cleaning my car, and then, well, we gotta drill holes for your dashboard, and then we're out. Then we're leaving.
And how long do we have?
30 minutes.
Okay.
It'd be dark in like an hour.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, Ben, what are you doing?
Obviously, Sam's car looks a little bit better than mine right now, but who cares? They both drive. That's all that matters. But right now, the bash bar doesn't fit perfectly because when we welded it, we warped the metal a little bit, so I have to bore out a little bit bigger holes so I can fit the bolts, so I can put it on, so I can actually drive with it, and it won't fall off while I'm driving. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, we got like, what, 30 minutes left? Okay, take it. Good on that. Oh, battery. Sam, what are you doing? Huh? Sam's vacuuming. I'm putting in my battery. Oh, I stepped in the litter. Okay, starting her up and going to rinse her off. Yo, bro.
Hey.
What's up with you?
Nothing.
Hell yeah.
I guess I should leave a Mercedes keys here somewhere. What the f? Oh shit.
What?
Why is that happening?
What's wired to your bulb? Something's wired to your blinker.
Man, we have a problem.
No, what? What happened?
I got off on my flasher module. Like my whole car is turning on. When I turn the car off, the whole car is turning on with the blinker.
So whenever his blinker was turning on, you could like hear his fuel pump. That's what it was,
Yeah, you
right?
Hear it?
But your fuel pump's doing something.
I have an idea.
Wow.
I have a short behind the steering wheel.
You fix it.
I just have no blinkers. What else is on my steering wheel?
Brake light. You gotta have brake lights.
Check my brake lights. Are you hitting them?
Yeah. You do not have brake lights.
Really? Really.
What are you thinking, Captain?
I have a really dumb solution.
What?
I think the horn's squirting. There's no other way I can be getting constant power behind the steering wheel. The only thing that's constant power is the actual horn. So I'm just gonna cut the horn wire because I broke the horn off anyway. I need steps. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Why is there always problems? Why wouldn't we want to do cool things? Because there are always f***ing problems. I'm cutting wires for this car. I'm so mad. Why is it always me?
Man, this man's crazy.
He's really doing it. I think he fixed it though.
I think you fixed it. I believe in him. This man's the only guy I believe in doing it. What? Ready for your brake lights. Yeah, you got turn signals. Brake lights. You got brake lights? Yeah, you got brake lights. Are we going?
Yeah, we're going.
Okay.
Oh my god.
That's so dumb. That's so dumb.
Yeah.
Bob's Big Boys.
Dude, if you could see this shot right
Gotta
now.
get Sam. There was a minute where I had to call Sam because I smelled something burning, but I was just freaking out because I think it was just a little bit of extra oil.
That's gonna be my car.
And guess what?
What?
My lifter tick's gone.
Is it?
Yeah.
It worked itself out?
I
Good.
just revved it for a minute there.
What's Bob's? What is the food? Is that food?
Wait, okay, listen. Don't come here for the food. The food's ass.
Dude,
it's actually not that bad.
No,
I'm being
you
mean.
will be ill.
I'm being no.
It's like
no.
Taco Bell.
I'm
Like
not,
if you're gonna eat it, you're
it's
gonna
not that bad.
Oh, look at this. This would be Park Hill. The 944.
I think this car.
That person looks like they literally stepped out of a 70s movie. Bro, this is such a good time. Everybody I like is here.
I don't even know what to like.
Oh, I thought that was Sam. Everybody I like is here. Our cars made it all the way here.
I'm glad I didn't drive my car because I feel like nobody here would like my car.
I like your car. I don't know if. I think you could. I've
seen FRSs here before.
Yeah, you could park it
Nice.
here.
What?
Can't even get the full beauty of like
This looks pretty good actually.
I know these are beautiful lights, aren't they?
Yeah.
LEDs.
When you're
I mean, these can stay on for hours. Like with my battery as it is, they can stay on for fucking ever.
Nice.
1 hour later.
Yo, Ben made it. The boy. The fucking boy.
You went the highway?
We took the highway.
But we were wondering where you were.
We took the highway, dude.
We were like, the whole time I was driving, I was like, am I gonna see you, Sam? Dude, this is crazy. Cause like 4 weeks ago, this car was covered in dust, had the back up on jack stands, wasn't even sealed. I sealed it this morning, and now look at it. Yes, it doesn't have a front, but it drove to and from Bob's.
My car's painted.
Your car looks so lot better.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm just honestly having a great time. I know my car needs a lot of work, but like,
Your car's
it
fine.
made it here, man. We did it. We went to the show and back. On Sunday, we're gonna wide body the Miata. So that video will come out before this video. So if you watch this video after
link's
that
right
video,
here.
the link's right here.
No, over here.
So whatever.
It's over here.
So if you watch this video first, now the wide body has been put on the Miata because that video is already out. It's a full moon out tonight. No, turn off that. Come
Ben's a
look.
werewolf.
Come look.
So now you can like and subscribe to Just Our Car Show.
Hey, thank
We build cool cars.